Welcome to Repair Our Health. If you're a woman over 50 and sometimes catch yourself thinking, where did my glow go? I've been there too. In this video, I'll share 5 simple, natural steps that helped me bring back my own radiant glow, and they can help you feel more confident in your skin again. Before we start, tap like and subscribe so you don't miss more wellness videos made just for you. And remember, this is for education only. Always check with your healthcare professional before making big changes. Picture this. You're in your 50s, you've lived, loved, and accomplished so much, but your skin stops reflecting how vibrant you feel inside. Maybe your firmness faded. Your texture changed and you thought, what happened? But what if it doesn't have to be that way? Here's the truth. Your skin is your body's largest organ. And with age, things naturally shift. Hormone changes, slower collagen production, and environmental stress all leave their marks. According to current wellness research, many visible changes like dryness or loss of elasticity are linked to internal factors, things like nutrient balance, circulation, and gut health. That's why focusing only on surface creams often misses what's really happening beneath. Here's the good news. You don't need to rely on heavy procedures or quick fixes. These 5 steps are natural, actionable, and you can start today. Let's go through them together. Step 1. Nourish from within. I learned that what we eat really shows up on our skin. When I started cutting back on refined carbs and seed oils, and added more healthy fats, colorful veggies, and antioxidant-rich foods, my skin began to feel more balanced for me. For women over 50, nutrient-dense foods give the body what it needs to keep skin strong and supple from the inside out. I'm 52. And a year ago my skin felt like sandpaper. When I shifted to whole foods and healthy fats, I started to notice a real difference. My skin began feeling soft again. It wasn't instant or perfect, but it was real, and it reminded me that my body still knows how to heal when I give it what it needs. Step 2. Support your gut so your skin can truly thrive. After 50, our digestion can change. I noticed mine did. Once I added probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, and a little bone broth, everything began to feel calmer. Even my skin. When your gut is balanced, your body absorbs nutrients better, and that glow you thought was gone starts to return from within. Step 3. Hydration and barrier care. For years I thought drinking water was enough, but our skin needs a little more support as we age. When I started adding hydrating foods like bone broth and snow mushrooms, and switched to gentler cleansers, I noticed my skin holding moisture longer. These small changes helped my skin feel softer, calmer, and more resilient over time. Step 4. Get your glow moving. I've learned that when circulation slows, everything, even our skin, can start to look a little dull. A walk outside for some fresh air, a few light stretches to keep your blood flowing, or a little pampering, giving your face and skin some tender loving care, all help refresh circulation and bring back that quiet, healthy glow. These mindful movements encourage blood flow and lymphatic drainage, helping your skin look naturally refreshed and alive. Step 5 isn't just about what you do, it's about how you feel while doing it. Your mindset shapes your hormones, your sleep, your stress, and all of that shows on your skin. So instead of thinking, I'm losing my glow, start saying, I'm choosing to light it up again. Every calm breath, every positive thought, every act of self-care tells your body, I'm me, I'm loved, and I'm still beautiful and radiant. Step 5. Rest and recovery. After 50, I've learned that my body and skin do their best repair when I truly let them rest. When I started giving myself earlier nights, quieter evenings, and a little less screen time, my mornings began to feel different. Brighter, calmer, more refreshed. Good sleep isn't a luxury. It's one of the most loving forms of self-care we can give ourselves. It's during those peaceful hours that our skin renews, our stress settles, and our natural glow quietly returns. Let's take a moment to recap. 5 simple natural steps. Nourish from within, support your gut, stay hydrated, keep your body moving, and rest deeply. Each one works together, like quiet building blocks for your glow. When practiced with care and consistency, these steps don't just change how your skin looks, they change how you feel in your own body. They've made a real difference for me, but remember, everyone's body is unique. I can't promise the same results for you, but with consistency, self-care, and patience, you may begin to notice your own positive changes over time. Now, let's clear up a common myth. Many women believe that after a certain age, only expensive treatments or procedures can bring results. But that's not always the case. Topical creams can help on the surface, but lasting change often begins deeper, with nourishment, movement, rest, and how we care for ourselves each day. That's when I started to notice small, positive changes in my own appearance. But remember, every skin type and tone is different, and everyone's timeline will vary. If you stay consistent and kind to yourself, you may begin to notice your own shifts over time. The key isn't perfection. It's patience, care, and never giving up on yourself. Here's Latoya, age 54. I stopped believing my skin could feel this soft again until I committed to these steps for 6 weeks. No miracles, just steady, visible change. Her words really reminded me that it's not about rushing results. It's about consistency and patience. Everyone's experience will look a little different, but when you show up for yourself daily, your body definitely notices. Even small, steady changes can add up over time. Latoya, at 54, told me that she never thought her skin could feel soft again until she gave herself a little time and care. Everything I've shared in this video comes from my everyday experience and is supported by wellness research and trusted health insights. These aren't quick trends or overnight fixes, but simple lifestyle habits that align with what science continues to show. When we nourish our bodies, move with intention, rest well, and manage stress, we support the skin and the body that carry us through every stage of life. If you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and tap like. It really supports this kind of content reaching more women like us. And if you know someone who could use a little reminder to care for herself again, share this video with her. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, so you'll be notified when I post more natural health and glow-up tips designed just for women over 50. Here are 2 nutrients that have really supported my skin and overall wellness: hyaluronic acid and omega-3s. Hyaluronic acid helps my body hold on to moisture, but our natural levels can drop as we age. That's why I like to add foods such as bone broth, snow mushrooms, and quality plant sources that are known to help support healthy hydration. Omega-3s, found in wild-caught fish, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are important for keeping the skin's barrier strong and reducing dryness. I make them part of my daily ritual, sometimes blending a little into my smoothie or sprinkling them on my salad, depending on what I feel like that day. These nutrients aren't quick fixes, but when they're part of my daily, balanced, whole food lifestyle, they help my body feel nourished and cared for from within. But remember, this is simply my experience that I'm sharing with you. Now let's talk about the little things that make a big difference. I found that small daily habits, what I call gentle tweaks, can really add up over time. I try to stay hydrated through the day, cut back on processed sugar, and use gentle cleansers that don't strip my skin. I also make it a point to spend a few minutes outdoors each day. Fresh air and sunlight lift my mood and help me feel grounded. You don't have to change everything at once. Start small, stack one new habit on top of another, and you'll be amazed at how those little moments of care start to shift how you feel. This journey isn't about chasing youth or trying to be someone else. It's really about honoring who you are and realizing that radiance never leaves. It simply waits for you to nurture it again. Every healthy choice, every deep breath, every quiet moment of self-care is a way of saying, I matter, I'm healing, and I'm growing. You're not losing your glow, you're learning how to renew it naturally and beautifully in your own time. There are a few common things many of us do without realizing that can slow our progress. One is expecting instant results. Real change takes time and consistency. Another is relying only on surface creams while ignoring the foundation, what's happening inside. And maybe the most important one, being too hard on yourself. Remember, self-care isn't about pressure or perfection. It's about patience, curiosity, and kindness. When you treat your body like a friend, it responds with grace. I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these 5 steps feels the most doable for you right now? Maybe you'll start by improving your sleep, adding more colorful foods, or simply taking a few deep breaths each morning. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd really love to know which one you begin with. Your stories truly inspire me. This space is all about women supporting women, and men too, reminding each other that change is possible at every stage of life. Here are the 5 simple, natural steps that have helped me regain my radiance and glow after 50. But remember, this is simply my experience that I'm sharing with you. They're not quick fixes or magic solutions, but gentle habits that nurture both your body and your spirit from the inside out. Everything I share here comes from my own journey, supported by research and real-life experience, and I hope it encourages you to trust your body's ability to renew itself. Your glow isn't lost. It's just waiting for your care, your consistency, and your love. If this video inspired or helped you in any way, please tap like. It truly supports this community and helps more women and men discover these natural wellness tips. Share it with someone who might need a gentle reminder to care for themselves again. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when new videos are released. Together, we can keep learning, growing, and glowing naturally. So that's it. 5 simple steps that have helped me rebuild my glow naturally and consistently. Remember, it's never about perfection. It's about small, caring choices that support your body and your peace of mind. If this video spoke to you, give it a like, share it with someone who could use a little encouragement, and subscribe so we can keep learning and growing together. And just a gentle reminder, everything shared here is for information and education only. Always talk with your healthcare professional for guidance that's right for you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Here's to your radiant glow and your beautiful next chapter. Results really do vary, so always listen to your body, your glow, your pace, your journey. Thanks again for being here with me on Repair Our Health, Beauty and Wellness in Harmony. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to check out the next video. Take care.